Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a 7-year-old female athlete who, despite playing in a male-dominated sport, has big dreams of becoming one of Jamaica's greatest footballers. Amoy Harriet tells us more.
At 7 years old, most girls are fascinated with Barbies, cartoons, or other childlike pleasures. But for Zipporah Golding, or Zippy as she's known, it's the football field that excites her.
People tell me that if I play, I can do it. And I took that, and I play really good, and I love it.
For years, football has been considered a male-dominated sport. Currently in Jamaica, there are only 2 recognized women's or girls' tournaments, the Premier League and Under-19 Schoolgirls Football. But Zippy is committed to making her presence felt in the industry.
It's hard but also fun at the same time, and I feel that I can do it.
Zippy is part of the girl development training at Ballers Football Academy, where she also trains with the boys. She's also the captain of the Emmanuel Christian Academy Under-7 football team. Notably, Zippy is the only female on the team.
I don't really care what the boys say. I just know that I can do it, and sometimes I beat most of them and do better than them.
Playing with the boys adds to her game because they're aggressive and they don't treat her like one of the girls. They treat her like one of the boys. So, she's aggressive already at 7, and she's doing stuff that the 9-year-old boys are doing.
Her prowess, Coach Gregory Jones says, is unlike anything he's ever seen.
Right now, when you look at Zippy, in terms of her coordination, things like those, you know that she's different.
And with every move, a story told. Zippy grew up playing football with her 12-year-old brother, Tatius Kush Golding, who has also been excelling in the sport. The siblings have been heavily supported by their parents. But it was those matches she saw on TV where Jamaican footballer Khadija Bonishaw dominated that sparked her thirst for the game.
A girl who I used to watch was named Bonishaw, and she played for Manchester City. And then she encouraged me, and I wanted to play football then when I saw her and tried to do most things that she does. And she's a girl, and she doesn't care what people say.
A future written in feet so bold. Zippy wants to play football straight until university. For now, her main focus is balancing school and the game.
I can say it here, I think she will be a future reggae girl.
Regardless of age or gender, Zippy firmly believes the world is your oyster. Anyone can do just about anything they put their mind to. It's why she wants more young girls to explore the sport.
Yes, I would like to see more females playing football, and if they want to do it, then they can do it. If boys say that they can't play, they don't have to listen to them. They can play if they want to.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Amoy Harriet.